Hello guys, you know about Scratch that it allows you to create games and animations with the help of blocks and costumes, like the Move block. It also has extensions to boost your projects. But what if I tell you that you can use blocks and also use Python and JavaScript? You are allowed to do that on MakeCode by Microsoft. I have to say something. Our channel is really down, and we are only at 6 subscribers. Please like and subscribe because I put a lot of effort in these videos. Now let's go back to our main topic. Let's create a new project. Let's name it Subscribe to my channel. Look at the options carefully. See, there is an option for blocks plus Python and Java. Here is our workspace. I am not going to lie. This is fire. We have some advanced blocks that are difficult to understand, but if you do this 2 to 3 times, this will look easy. The stage area is a game box from 90s. Let's look for some new blocks. These all are so superior and looks like they are really advanced. They also have some extensions. Let's have a look on them. Now here are advanced options. Let's look at the Python and JavaScript option. Let's go to assists. We have some options here. Let's have a look on the settings. I don't know why does it want my camera. Yes, block it. I accidentally opened green screen in this. This is super helpful for green screen YouTubers. Let's see how it looks in the full screen mode. Here are the controls. Now it looks like a massive Nintendo Switch. I am pressing the arrow keys and see the response rate is fast. Now let's get out of here. I know this video have been really short because this is a small topic from outside but a deep video from inside. Comment down if you want me to make a detailed version of this. Bye bye guys, meet you in the next video, like and subscribe. Stay tuned.